Welcome to our comparison of two popular countertop ice makers, the Electactic ice maker and the Igloo automatic ice maker. Both machines boast impressive ice production capabilities, delivering 26 pounds of ice per day. However, they differ in design, speed, and energy efficiency. In this video, we'll explore these differences and help you decide which ice maker is the best fit for your needs. When it comes to pricing, the Electactic ice maker comes in at a lower price of $89, making it an attractive option for budget-conscious buyers. In contrast, the Igloo automatic ice maker is priced at $99, reflecting its premium stainless steel design and brand reputation. While the price difference is minimal, it may influence your decision based on your budget. In terms of ice production speed, the Electactic ice maker excels with a cycle time of just 6 minutes to produce 9 ice cubes. This is slightly quicker than the Igloo model, which takes 7 minutes for the same amount. If speed is your top priority, the Electactic might be the better choice for you. Energy efficiency is another critical factor to consider. The Electactic ice maker has a power consumption of 300 watts, which is significantly higher than the Igloo's 120 watts. This means that while the Electactic produces ice faster, it may cost more to operate in the long run. The Igloo's lower power draw makes it a more energy-efficient option, especially for daily use. In conclusion, both the Electactic and Igloo ice makers offer unique advantages. If you prioritize speed and affordability, the Electactic is an excellent choice. However, if you value energy efficiency and a premium design, the Igloo is worth the investment. Whichever you choose, both machines will serve you well in keeping your drinks cold. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.